Hi there. Ever notice how your earbuds slowly lose that clear sound and you realize it is probably just dirt hiding inside? It happens to all of us. On Tech Product, we love simple tools that solve annoying problems, and today we are talking about the best earbuds cleaning kit that keeps your gear fresh without any hassle. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit, you can tell right away it is designed to make cleaning quick and stress-free. There is no complicated setup and no oversized equipment. It is a compact solution made to deal with the tiny dust and sticky buildup that collect in places you normally cannot reach. One of the best things about the Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit is its 3-in-1 multifunctional design. Instead of carrying separate brushes and tools, everything is combined into one smart system. You simply switch between different cleaning tips depending on the job. That makes the process smoother and faster. Earbuds collect different types of dirt. Sometimes it is loose dust sitting on the surface. Other times it is stubborn grime stuck inside small openings. Having multiple functions in one tool means you are always ready for whatever you find. Another standout feature is the 13 brush heads included in the kit. Each one has a different shape and texture. Some brushes are soft and gentle, perfect for delicate speaker meshes where you do not want to cause damage. Others are firmer and more focused, which helps when you are cleaning tight corners inside a charging case. Those narrow spaces are usually where dirt hides the most. With these different brush heads, you can reach deep into small crevices and give your devices a more detailed clean instead of just wiping the surface. Compatibility is also a strong advantage. The Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit is designed to work with many types of earbuds, including the 3 Pro Case Phone 13. That means you are not limited to one specific model. Beyond earbuds, you can use it for other small electronic devices too. Charging ports, small speakers, and other tight spaces often collect dust over time. This kit helps you keep all of those areas cleaner, which can support better performance and longer device life. Portability makes this kit even more practical. It is compact and lightweight, so it easily fits into a bag or even a pocket. If you travel often or commute daily, you can carry it with you and clean your earbuds anytime. You do not need to wait until you get home. A quick clean on the go keeps everything looking and working better. The build quality of the Abelarde cleaning pen is solid as well. It is made from durable plastic that feels sturdy in your hand. It does not feel cheap or fragile. Since cleaning is something you will likely do regularly, it is important that the tool itself can handle repeated use. A strong build means this kit is made for long-term maintenance, not just a temporary fix. What really makes the Abelarde Earbuds Cleaning Kit stand out is its simplicity. It turns device cleaning into a quick and easy habit instead of a chore. Clean earbuds can help maintain sound quality and overall performance, so you continue enjoying clear audio every day. Small tool, big difference. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.